It's Christmas time, and that means we're all on holidays here, sitting at home, usually resting, eating, drinking, playing video games, and doing those things around the house. And here in the Central West, it's been relatively cool this summer. However, it's starting to warm up a little. Not too much where we have to put the air conditioners on just yet, but we do need to get some air moving. That's why I got this. So the reason I purchased this one is that it had all the features that I wanted. This fan is aimed at bedroom, offices and other small rooms. It's got smart features, which means you can control it with your phone. And it's also got great airflow. So if you're suffering with the heat, you might want something a little bit like this. So let's open it. So I've bought a few Philips products, and one thing I like about them is they're always well packaged. So I'm not afraid for them to come via courier or buying them online. So here we have it. We have a base, which is quite heavy, and this is the other reason I purchased this. This was marketed as being more stable, so if you've got kids or people that could potentially knock this over, as opposed to those cheap $20 fans that you can buy that have aluminium legs. Instructions and an Allen key. Get rid of the instructions. Better not do that. So this looks quite easy. All it's saying to do is screw this into here. Get our base. And we do this one. Okay. And now we put the back on. We'll need my trusty Leatherman. Now it doesn't exactly say how to get this fan open. There's a little clip here. Assume we pull it. There we are. Just gently. It just pops off. Line the little hole up. Slots in there. Then we put our screw back on. Just firm. We get our fan, and we have to align it with this other little bar that goes across. Like so. That's good. Now put the first one back on. Might have to hold the fan. And it goes in the opposite direction. But there's a little arrow showing you which way to put it on. Okay, good. That's done. Now we put the front cover back on. We hook it on at the top. Clip it around. And clip the bottom. And they give you this little Allen key, or screwdriver actually, to tighten the screw. It should be easier with a proper screwdriver. Let's plug it in and see how it goes. So I'll install the app and check out the smart features. So what we'll do is put it into scanning mode, and then we'll turn on the device. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to put it into pairing mode. And we hold the power button in for 3 seconds. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, and now it's in pairing mode. I'll choose the office, and now it's connected. So what I can do now is I can select it on the app, and I can turn it on. That's working. And I can turn on oscillating. And I can change it to speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, sleep and natural breeze. If you set the fan to the quiet sleep mode, it gradually decreases the speed of the fan to its lowest setting, so you have a gentle breeze on you throughout the night. This fan will also reach up to 30 meters. If you're looking to keep cool this summer and reduce those energy bills, especially with the cost of electricity these days, then getting something like this might do the trick. See you next time.